Hello everyone, and welcome to Zeo Route Planner tutorials. In this video, we'll learn how to upload stops using an Excel spreadsheet and assign time slots to each stop. Time slots help ensure that deliveries or visits are completed within a specific time window, allowing drivers to follow a schedule that meets customer availability. Let's see how to do this step by step. First, let's prepare the Excel sheet that will be used to upload the stops. Your spreadsheet should include the required address columns such as address line, city, state, PIN code. To assign time slots to stops, you also need to add two additional columns: start time, end time. The start time defines when the service window for that stop begins. The end time defines the latest time by which the stop should be completed. For example, a stop may have a time slot from 10 a.m. to 12 p.m., meaning the driver should arrive within that time window. Make sure the times are entered in a consistent format so the system can read them correctly. Once the spreadsheet is ready, save the file and return to the Zeo dashboard. Welcome back to the dashboard. Now let's upload the stops. From the left-hand taskbar, go to Stops tab. Click on Upload Stops. Select the Excel file you prepared by clicking on Browse Files. Make sure you enter valid time slots and not any number like 2500, a time that does not exist. Click Proceed. During the upload process, Zeo will ask you to map the spreadsheet columns to the system fields. Here, match the following columns: address line, city, state, PIN code, start time, end time. After confirming that all columns are mapped correctly, click Confirm Mapping. You will be asked to review entries, then click Submit. Once the upload is complete, the stops will appear in the Stops section. Select stops you need for this route and click on Auto Optimize. Select all stops on the Stop Details page. This page gives you freedom to leave out any address from your uploaded Excel sheet. Click on Select Stops button. You are now directed to Driver Details page. Select Drivers and click on Assign Drivers. You will be directed to Route Details page. Here you can make changes to start and end location and start and end time along with the route title. Make sure to select enough drivers so as to not have overlap in timings for one driver to reach multiple locations at the same time. That might give you an error. I am also making sure the drivers start before the time deliveries are required to be made. Click on Save and Optimize. Zeo will automatically assign drivers the stops according to the duration of the trip and stop time slots. Go to Playground. Once the route is optimized, open the route to review the stops. You will see that the stops are arranged in a way that balances route efficiency while meeting the scheduled time windows. Drivers will also see these time slots on the driver platform, helping them plan their deliveries accordingly. Now, let's look at another way to upload the Excel file for a specific driver. From the left taskbar, click the plus icon to create a route, then select Create Route button again. You will be directed to assign a driver here. Upload your Excel file by selecting Upload Stops option. Select Browse Files to upload your Excel sheet. Make sure the selected row contains the column header. Click Proceed. Confirm the column mapping, ensuring start time and end time fields are correctly assigned. Review the stops. Then click Submit. This method allows you to directly assign all uploaded stops to a single driver while creating the route. Here you can see all stops are uploaded according to the stop order in the Excel sheet. Here the software is optimizing the stops. Let me show you what you see after Zeo optimizes stops for you. This is the playground showing route overview. Let's check out the rearrangement of stops after Zeo optimized stops, distance, and time constraints. Here you see all stops are assigned to this driver according to time slots and distance considerations of every stop. And that's how you can upload stops with time slots using an Excel spreadsheet in Zeo Route Planner. This feature is especially useful for businesses that need to manage scheduled deliveries, customer availability windows, or service appointments. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next tutorial.